In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment methods in WooCommerce. To get started, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where you manage your website and all of your store settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and go to WooCommerce, then click on Settings. From there, open the Payments tab. This section is where WooCommerce lets you control which payment options are available to your customers during checkout. When you arrive on the Payments page, take a moment to review the list of available payment methods. Depending on your store setup, you may see options like direct bank transfer, check payments, cash on delivery, or online payment gateways. It's a good idea to look through these carefully so you understand which ones are already available and which ones make the most sense for your business and your customers. Next, enable the payment methods you want customers to use. In most cases, this is as simple as switching a method on. Be selective here, because the payment options you offer can directly affect the customer experience. If you only want to accept certain types of payments, this is the point where you decide that. After enabling a method, open each payment gateway one at a time and complete its setup. Every gateway has its own settings, so make sure you read each field carefully. Usually, you'll be asked to connect the required payment account or enter the necessary API credentials. This step is essential because without a proper connection, the payment method may appear at checkout but won't actually process payments correctly. Be sure to use the correct live or test credentials depending on whether you're still testing or ready to accept real orders. You should also configure the title and any instructions shown at checkout. The title is what customers will see when choosing how to pay, so keep it clear and recognizable. If the payment method needs extra guidance, such as what happens after the order is placed, add that in the instructions field. Clear checkout messaging helps reduce confusion and can improve conversions. Once everything is filled in, save your changes. Don't leave the page without saving, or your updates may not be applied. Finally, place a test order to confirm that payments work correctly. This is one of the most important parts of the process because it lets you verify that the payment method appears properly, the checkout flow works as expected, and the order is successfully processed. If something doesn't work, go back through the settings and double-check the connection details and configuration. And that's how to set up payment methods in WooCommerce.